So today I decided to do a painting in plain air. I did it of the Canary Wharf view on the Thames path. I just maybe didn't make it very accurate compared to what the where the buildings are located, but it is just I made it so you'd have a feeling, I suppose. Feeling of the place, just adding layers there, layers of paint. I spent 1 hour 15 on it, which is quite a lot because I thought I could have done more, but then I just thought I'd leave it. And that's the finished product. I could have done more really, but I just lost patience really, so decided to leave it at that. So thank you very much for